Let's talk about choosing the right size wire for those landscape lighting transformers. You've got a landscape lighting project needing transformers that draw 10 amps at 120 volts, and the wire run is pretty long, 2000 feet. Your superintendent used number 4 wire. You're wondering if that's the right choice. Based on the details provided for a 10 amp 120 volt load with a distance of 2000 feet, number 8 AWG wire is likely the appropriate size. Here's the breakdown. Voltage drop becomes a significant concern with long wire runs. You need to ensure enough voltage reaches the transformers at the end of the 2000 foot run. Using a wire that is too small will cause too much voltage to be lost along the way, potentially affecting the brightness and performance of your landscape lights or even damaging the transformers. To determine the right wire size, we will be using the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC provides tables and guidelines that help electrical professionals select the proper wire gauge. These tables account for ampacity, which is the current carrying capacity of a wire, and voltage drop, which is the reduction in voltage over a distance. One of the steps is to use the National Electrical Code, or NEC, Table 310.15. B16 for ampacity adjustment factors for conductors rated 0 to 2000 volts to determine the necessary adjustment factor for a distance of 2000 feet. For a distance of 2000 feet, the adjustment factor is 0.82. Next, we can calculate the adjusted ampacity of the conductor. Adjusted ampacity equals 10 amps times 0.82, which equals 8.2 amps. Using the NEC table 310.15. B16 for ampacities of insulated conductors rated 0 to 2000 volts and raceways. The closest conductor size with an ampacity greater than or equal to 8.2 amps is number 8 AWG. Therefore, number 8 AWG conductors are the proper size for this application. It's crucial to verify the specific requirements and local codes. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC in relevant local regulations for the most accurate and up-to-date guidance on wire sizing and electrical installations.